So do you also use Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to create Flowlu contact from Facebook lead ads leads. So here I am an owner of a real estate agency and I am running a Facebook lead ad to generate new leads for my business. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically the lead received should be created as a new contact in my Flowlu account as well. So now here I've planned to automate the entire process by simply connecting my Facebook lead ad with my Flowlu account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically create Flowlu contacts from Facebook lead ads leads. This integration will help you save time, stay organized and ensure every lead is properly managed without manual effort. So stay tuned as I walk you through the step-by-step process. So let's get started. So as you all know that I run a real estate agency and I use Facebook lead ads to attract home buyers. So now when someone fills out a form to inquire about a property, I need to track their details and follow up quickly. So now instead of manually entering each lead into Flowlu, I have planned to automate the entire process so every new lead is instantly added as a new contact. This allows me to assign follow-ups, keep track of conversations and organize leads based on their property interest. It saves me time, ensures no lead is missed and helps me convert more inquiries into successful property deals. So now here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I've created with the name Prime Properties. And here I'm running a Facebook lead ad. So now here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically that lead should be created as a new contact in my Flowlu account as well. Okay, so now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ad with my Flowlu account. And firstly here we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to show you the process more clearly. So now here to generate a test lead for my Facebook lead ad, I'm going to use a lead ads testing tool by Meta for developers. So here you can see the lead ads testing tool by Meta and here on my screen you can see my Facebook lead ad form over here. So here I've already filled the details over here. So here you can see it is asking me for the type of property you're interested in. So here I'm going to select the type of property as rental property and here you can see some other details that have already been pre-filled over here with the first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state and the zip code. So now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead for our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our Flowlu account to see whether a new contact is being created over there or not. So here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name dummy lead over here. Here you can see the phone number, email address and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ad with your Flowlu account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Flowlu contact from Facebook lead ads leads. And now here, after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So now here in this case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. So now here, to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I am receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. So here in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then instantly and automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account and authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the pages option available over here. So from here I'm going to select my Facebook page, which is named as Prime Properties. And then here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here to get this lead gen form, let me take you to the Meta Business Suite of my Facebook account. So here under lead ads form, you can see all the lead ads form which I've created till now over here. So basically here I'm going to use my form which is named as lead form new. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my lead gen form as lead form new. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here, after selecting my page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now here, after clicking on the save and send test request, you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead for our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is the lead ads testing tool. So here to generate a new test lead, I need to delete my previous test lead because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So I'm going to click on this delete lead, and then here I'm going to refresh this window, and that's a necessary step. And now here under this lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page which is named as Prime Properties again. And then here I'm going to select my form as lead form new. And now here I'm going to click on this preview form. And here I need to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the type of property, I'm going to select rental. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as latest, last name as lead, email as latestlead@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. And then here for the street address, I'm going to enter a random street address. City as Bhopal, state as Madhya Pradesh. And here for the zip code, I'm going to select the country first, that is India. And then the zip code. And then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the type of property you're interested in, first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, zip code, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new lead through our Facebook lead ad, I want to add that lead as a new contact in my Flowlu account as well. So for that, I need to connect my Flowlu account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Flowlu. So Flowlu is an all-in-one business management tool that helps teams stay organized and productive. It offers features like project management, CRM, task tracking, and financial planning in one place. So here in my Flowlu action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a CRM account, that is contact over here. So that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead received should be created as a new contact in my Flowlu account as well. Okay, so now here to connect my Flowlu account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Flowlu account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key and the account URL. So here let's enter the account URL first. As it says, enter your account URL here. Example, if the URL is this, then the account URL is this. So here I've already logged in my Flowlu account. So here you can see the path URL. So here I'm going to copy it from here. Moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the account URL. So this is my account URL, and then here it is asking me to enter the API key. So here, following the instructions given below, let me take you back to my Flowlu account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and from here I'm going to select portal settings. Now here under portal settings, I'm going to select API settings from this left side bar. And here under API settings, you can see some already existing API keys. And here I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this add button given over here. And here I'm going to give a name to my API key, that is new contact. And now here, after giving the name, I'm going to select the application. So here I'm going to select the application permission as CRM. And then I'm going to click on this save. So here you can see we have successfully generated a new API key over here. So I'm going to copy it. Moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API key. Now here, after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the honorific title ID. So now here this is not a required field, and here in the instruction it says choose honorific title for contact. To ignore this field, turn on the map button and leave this field blank. So here I want to leave this field blank. So for that I'm going to turn on this map button given over here, and then I'm going to remove this value from here. So now here moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the first name, last name, email address, and some other details. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the first name. So this is my lead's first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. Here I'm going to map the email address. Moving forward, here this description is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add the description, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking me for the category. So here I'm going to select the category as customer. You can select the category as per your need. And then here for the industry, I'm going to select the industry as construction. And then here it is asking me for the address. So here I'm going to map the street address. Moving forward, here I'm going to map the phone number. Again, these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new Flowlu contact for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our Flowlu account. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name latest lead. Here you can see the category of the lead. Here you can see the phone number, email and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up this entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Flowlu, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly the lead received is going to be created as a new contact in our Flowlu account as well. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create Flowlu contact from Facebook lead ads leads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.